What banks work with Venmo? Intro. Hook. Ever tried to send money to a friend using Venmo only to find out your bank isn't supported? It's a frustrating experience, isn't it? Context. In today's digital age, peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo have become increasingly popular. They offer a convenient way to transfer funds between friends and family. However, not all banks are compatible with these platforms. Main content. Understanding Venmo compatibility. Explain what Venmo is and how it works. Discuss the importance of bank compatibility for Venmo users. Highlight potential issues that can arise if your bank isn't supported. Factors affecting bank compatibility. Explore various factors that determine whether a bank works with Venmo. Bank size and reputation. Banks' internal policies and procedures. Technological infrastructure. Discuss how these factors can influence Venmo compatibility. Popular banks that work with Venmo. Create a list of popular banks that are known to be compatible with Venmo. Provide brief descriptions of these banks and their key features. Include information about any specific requirements or limitations associated with using Venmo with these banks. Banks that may not work with Venmo. Discuss some examples of banks that might not be compatible with Venmo. Explain why these banks may have restrictions or limitations. Offer suggestions for users who encounter compatibility issues with their banks. Checking your bank's compatibility. Provide step-by-step instructions on how to check if your bank works with Venmo. Guide viewers through the process of verifying compatibility using Venmo's website or app. Offer alternative methods for checking compatibility, such as contacting your bank directly. Tips for dealing with bank incompatibility. Discuss strategies for users who find that their banks are not compatible with Venmo. Consider switching to a compatible bank. Explore alternative payment apps. Use cash or checks for transactions. Provide advice on how to make the transition to a compatible bank or payment app as smooth as possible. Additional tips. Visuals. Incorporate relevant visuals, such as screenshots of the Venmo app, bank logos, and charts or graphs to illustrate key points. Engagement. Encourage viewer interaction by asking questions throughout the video and inviting comments. Call to action. At the end of the video, encourage viewers to share the video with their friends and family, subscribe to your channel, and leave a comment with their experiences using Venmo. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the main points covered in the video, emphasizing the importance of bank compatibility for Venmo users. Final thoughts. Offer some final thoughts on the topic, such as the growing trend of digital payments and the need for banks to adapt to changing consumer preferences. Closing statement. End the video with a strong closing statement, such as "With that said, thanks for watching and until next time."